Recently, Microsoft has just announced a new addition to their family of small language models. Yes, you heard it right. Small language models. Now you might be wondering, small? That does not sound very impressive. But let me tell you, these models are small but mighty, and they are dubbed small not because of their size, but because of their incredible efficiency and precision. Hello everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Introducing the latest member of this family, the Multimodal Phi-3-vision. This isn't just any ordinary addition, it's a game changer. It's set to change the way we interact with AI, opening up a whole new world of possibilities. So buckle up folks, we are about to embark on an exciting journey exploring the power and potential of the multimodal Phi-3-vision. Now, before we dive deeper, let's take a moment to break down two key terms, multimodal and small language model. First up, multimodal. This isn't just a fancy buzzword, it's a pivotal concept. Multimodal AI means the model can understand and process multiple types of data simultaneously. Imagine a model that can analyze text, images, and even sounds all at once. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of AI tools, making it incredibly versatile and powerful in real world applications. What are small language models? They are machine learning models trained on a large corpus of text data. They are called small because they have fewer parameters compared to their larger counterparts. Here, through large counterparts, I mean large language model. These models are capable of understanding and generating human-like text based on the input they receive. So these small language models have got fewer parameters. So what are parameters actually? In LLM terminologies, parameters are like the settings or weights inside the model that determine how it processes and generates text. Now imagine baking a cake. Parameters are like the ingredients, flour, sugar, eggs, and their quantities in a recipe. Changing the amounts of these ingredients will change the taste and texture of the cake. Similarly, in a language model, parameters are numbers that adjust how the model understands and produces language. More parameters generally mean model can understand and generate more complex and accurate text, much like how a more detailed recipe can make a better cake. So let's try to understand what is the difference between LLM and SLM. The main difference between small and large language models lies in their size, that is number of parameters, on which they have been trained upon. This affects small language models' understanding of language and their ability to generate relevant responses. Comparatively, large language models generally perform better in terms of accuracy and contextual understanding due to their extensive training data. Now let's try to understand what benefits Phi-3-vision model brings for the end users and some of the potential use cases of small language model. There are many. Let me highlight a few, starting with why we should use SLM. First, they're cost effective. They are cheaper to train and use, making them a more affordable option, especially for small businesses or individual developers. Second, efficiency. Small language models require less computational power and memory to run. This makes them ideal for applications with limited resources or where speed is a priority. Third, ease of deployment. Due to their smaller size, these models are easier to deploy on devices with limited resources, such as mobile devices or embedded systems. Let's talk about the potential use cases. These models also have the ability to process tasks locally, thereby maintaining control over the sensitive data, and can run efficiently on mobile and embedded devices. Can be used in voice recognition, command systems, chatbot, virtual assistants, text summarization. Let us also have a quick look through the evolution history of Phi models in the family of language model. Here is a brief timeline. So it started with Phi 1. The first model in Phi series. Phi-1 was designed specifically for carrying out Python coding tasks. It was trained on data with 1.3 billion parameters curated from different sources. Phi-2. Phi-2 was the next iteration building upon the success of Phi-1. It was capable of understanding 2.7 billion parameters and outperformed large language models up to 25 times larger. Phi-3. The latest addition to the series is Phi-3, introduced in April 2024. Phi-3 models are the most capable and cost-effective small language models available, outperforming models of the same size and the next size up across a variety of language, reasoning, coding, and math benchmarks. In this quick tour, we are going to explore the Azure AI Studio, locate the Phi-3-vision models, and check out the Phi-3-vision chat playground. So let's jump right in. First stop, the Azure AI Studio. If you haven't been here before, Azure AI Studio is your one-stop shop for all things AI on the Azure platform. From building to deploying models, it's all here. For more detailed information, please check out my previous video, link given in the description. Once you are logged in, you will see a sleek dashboard with a bunch of options. Head over to the Models Catalog section on the left sidebar. This is where the magic happens. Now let's locate our superstar, Phi-3-vision. In the Models Catalog section, use the search bar and type in Phi-3-vision. There it is, the Phi-3-vision model family. You can see different versions optimized for various tasks. Each model is finely tuned to handle multimodal inputs, meaning they can process text, images, and more all at once. Alright, time for some hands-on fun. Let's head over to the Phi-3-vision chat playground. Here we are, the playground. This is where you can interact with Phi-3-vision in real time. You can input text, upload images, and see how the model responds. It's perfect for testing out ideas and seeing the model in action. Just look at the response time. And it's not just quick, it's incredibly accurate. Phi-3-vision leverages its multimodal capabilities to give you the best possible output, whether you are dealing with text, images, or a combination of both. And there you have it, folks, a quick tour of the Phi-3-vision in action. From exploring the Azure AI Studio to playing around in the chat playground, this model is game changer. If you enjoyed this demo, drop a comment below. What would you like to see Phi-3-vision do next? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.